How to edit phone number on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to edit phone number on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here just click these three lines here in the top corner, and after you click on it just go down until you find the settings, click on it and then click personal and account information, and here here you'll find phone number, and if you want to edit it just click edit, and that's how to edit your phone number on Facebook Lite. It's easy, of course. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. See you in the next video.